Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So let's start today's topic. So our today's topic is subtotal. So what is subtotal used for? So subtotal is used in calc for many of the things, like first of all for grouping and analyzing the data, extract specific information from the rows related to that data, or you can also say that the summarizing of the data is done with the help of subtotal. So let's jump into my laptop and see that how to do subtotal, right? So let's start. So first you can see that I have already prepared the data. You can see it over here, that sales executive month and sales. I want to get the subtotal of sales according to the sales executive. So I want to do the grouping according to the sales executive. First of all, remember that if it is not sorted, if your data is not sorted, then you have to sort the data. So how you have to sort the data? First, you have to select the data, go to data, in that click on sort, and in that you select that is sales executive and click on OK. So already I have done, so you can see that it is there. Okay, now we have to go with the subtotal. So you select the data, click on data and go for subtotal. Here it will ask you how you want to do the grouping. Here there is first, second, third group and also the option. So first I want to only do according to the sales, right? So I want to get the sales according to the sales executive. You can see it over here that the grouping is being done according to the sales executive, and I want the sales of per sales executive, the sales which is being done by them. So I will just click on OK. So you can see according to the sales executive, right? Now I will also show you the another way, that is according to the month. So here I will just show you over here that I've done according to the month. I will click here. You can see what you have to do. First, you have to take the month at the top, that is in the first column. Keep it in mind, in the first column. I'll just go for Control Z. You can do the selection. Here, you will just make it a click, right? I will insert over here one column and I will cut from here and paste it over here, the things, right? And I will delete from here. You can see it, the method which I am doing. Okay, so I will delete the column. Okay, now what I have to do, first of all I have to arrange according to the month. So I will go for data, click on sort, and I will select the month and click on OK. You can see now according to the month I have done the sorting, right? Now I want to get the subtotal according to the month, right? So month wise, what is the total sales of us that we have to get it? So what we will do, the grouping I have done according to the month, and I want to get the total of the sales. Yes, you know very well that whenever we are doing the functions, we are doing on the values. So keep it in mind that the values we have to keep in mind, and according to that only you have to do the selection for the calculation. Click on OK. So here it is according to the November and according to October. So I hope that you have understood that how to do the grouping and subtotal. And if you like it my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And you can see on the I button at the top the playlist which is being provided to you for IT 402. You can see all the videos related to your topic in that. And if you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt on the comment box. So thank you.